Welcome to Lightning Proxies. Tired of paying $14 a month for YouTube Premium? What if we told you there's a smarter way to get the same subscription for just $1 legally by using Nigerian geo-pricing? YouTube Premium prices change depending on your country. To access Nigerian pricing, all you need is a residential IP from Nigeria. Head over to lightningproxies.net. Purchase a residential plan. Set the country to Nigeria, and you'll instantly receive access to clean, fast IPs. We'll be using the sticky proxy feature to keep a static connection. Next, use a proxy extension, like the free Lightning Proxies extension, to connect your browser to the Nigerian IP. Set up the proxy you just created by adding a new profile in the extension. Paste your username, password, host, and port. Then click Connect. Once connected, your browser will appear as if you're browsing from Nigeria. Now go to youtube.com Premium. You'll see the Nigerian pricing automatically.